Hello, we're going to do a short yin practice, but it's going to be more towards restorative. We're going to be using a bolster if you have one. If you don't have a bolster, I would recommend like some sort of thick cushion. Could be sometimes a sofa cushion or perhaps a couple of cushions together or a really firm pillow. Okay, it's got to be firm. You see, this is not, it can support my weight. And I'm also going to be using 2 blocks. Again, if you don't have blocks, this is how we're going to put them. So you can have like a drawer or a little box, like shoe boxes sometimes work really well for this, or anything that's like cans, not bins, or tins. So this is how I'm going to put them. So one can go like this and the other can go like this. So we're going to create some, and I'm going to put the bolster or cushion on top of it. Yeah. And, or you can make it taller. So again, just choose 2 objects that have this capacity to one be slightly taller than the other. So you can have your bolster or cushion in sort of a vertical, or it's not vertical, diagonal, like a chest long. Okay, so find your props and I'll see you in the practice. Hello, my name is Montse and this is SOYOGA, and let's go for it. So you should have already your props. At the beginning of the video I explained which props you could get, and we're gonna start straight away by lying on this beauty. So put your hips quite close, but on the floor, close to the cushion or the bolster, but on the floor. Extending the legs so you can be the legs bent, and start descending on the bolster. Oh, this is so yummy. Start descending on the bolster. So your arms, so again, if it's too big or too wide, perhaps you don't get this feeling. So you want it to be narrow enough so your arms fall to the sides. So allow your arms to fall. Your head is still supported by the bolster. So basically is supporting you from the bottom to the top of your crown. And just relax, letting go, opening the chest. This is a great chest opener, but very relaxing. You can keep your legs bended like this, or you can extend them. Again, it's up to you. I like having them extended. If you want to do some work on the lower part of your body as well, you can have the legs in Baddha Konasana. Again, there's 3 options there for you. Choose the one that suits you today a bit more. I'm going to be with my legs bent. I feel that that's supporting my back a bit more today, but you can choose. And then let go. Start focusing on your breath. Start dropping in to your body. Internal vision, internal gaze. Noticing your breath, but also noticing your body relaxing. Do a little body scan, see if there is any part that's still tensing, and see if you can let go a bit more. If this is very uncomfortable for your arms, remember you can always still bring them alongside your body instead of having them opening across. Again, just find what works for you today. It might not be the same that worked for you yesterday. With all these postures, you can adjust them to your needs. Remember, this is your practice. And if you have any doubt on how to adjust something, leave me a comment and I'll do my best to either answer you or create another video for you. Just relax. let go. Letting go, softening onto the bolster. Just letting gravity do all the work for you. Your only job is to let go and soften and just be aware of your breath. That's all you have to do right now. Inhale through the nose, then opening your mouth, let go of a big sigh. And bringing the hands closer to your hips or back, and slowly, slowly bring the chin in and start rolling up. Bringing the chin in, head comes up, shoulders come up, and vertebra by vertebra, we come up to our seat. Stay here for a moment, just noticing, readjusting the back. Noticing the effects of just letting go and softening onto the bolster. Now we're going to do a twist. So we keep the bolster as it is, or the cushion. And once again, bring the hips. So I'm bringing my right hip because I'm facing you to the right. Bringing my right hip close, again, is on the floor, but close to the bolster. My legs can be either staggered like this, so sort of like my right foot is against the left thigh, and both are like sort of not 90 degrees, much less. Or if that's too much, you can always have them one on top of the other, kind of like this, so closer to each other. So now it's one foot on top of the other. See which one works best for you, depending on the day sometimes. And what you want is, again, you're on the side, and you're going to twist. You're going to twist your torso until your chest is flat. You can descend your chest towards the bolster. And here, the hands, the arms just relax. And the neck. So you have options. You can just keep the forehead on the bolster like this. You can turn the head. So your right cheek is on the bolster, so the nose is in the same direction as your knees. Or for a deeper twist, you can turn the head away from the knees. And again, different days, different sensations. Try the three options, see which one you want to keep today, and then stay there. So again, you want a tiny bit more restorative. You want a bit more of a stretch on your neck, on the twist. Choose. And then just again, your only job is to let go. Softening the body, softening the chest, making sure both arms are falling, both arms are equally heavy, elbows are heavy, head is heavy, chest is heavy on the bolster. And make the resolution to remain still. See if you can soften a bit more. Do a little body scan. See if there is any part of your body that's gripping unintentionally. Perhaps your jaw, your face, your hips. Take a big inhale. And then opening your mouth, let go a big sigh. And then slowly, slowly turn your head in whichever direction you need to turn to come to face the cushion again. And with the help of your hands, slowly, slowly, you're going to peel off your torso from the bolster. Come up to an upright position. Lovely. And then we keep this as it is. We're just going to turn to the other side. So with the use of your hands, just simply shift. Now I'm going to give you my back. Shift. So you put again the left hip this time on as close to the bolster or cushion as you can. Again, you can stagger the legs or you can keep them one on top of the other. So you see with one foot on top of the other. It's in whichever position you feel more comfortable. And remember, not every day is the same, so you need to really be aware of what you need today. You don't need to fit into any specific pose. The pose needs to fit onto you. And now start descending towards the bolster, so the chest falls on the bolster. The arms are heavy. The forehead is on the bolster. And once again, you can face the nose. You can face the same direction as the knees. So in my case, is the left. Or you can face in opposite direction. Nose pointing in opposite direction as the knees. Choose where you like to be. And then make a resolution to remain still. And again, just nothing for you to do. You need to just simply let go. Easier said than done sometimes. So do a little scan and see if there is any part of your body that's still gripping, that there is still some tension. Even if we don't realize, perhaps between your eyebrows, perhaps your eyes. Perhaps you can let go a bit more in your arms and your shoulders. And then just start focusing on your breath. And then take a big inhale. Open your mouth. Let go of a big sigh. And once again, just turn your head so you're facing the cushion. With the help of your hands, start coming up. Start coming up. And we're just going to finish by sitting. Sitting, legs crossed. Spine straight. Back of the neck is long. So perhaps your chin comes slightly in and down. Shoulders are soft. Notice the changes in your body. Notice perhaps any physical changes, emotional changes, energetic changes. And then just bring the hands to your heart. Inhale. And as you exhale, open your eyes. I'm going to face you now. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope this was nice for you, was restorative and useful. And please, please, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if you like using the bolster. And what did you use? Did you have a bolster or did you use some cushion? I love to see the setup, so I can always, so when I do my live classes, I can tell the students what to use. I always love hearing your ideas. And yeah, thank you very much. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.